Just outside frying some fish. All right, we're coming in hot already. Today we are making CBD Baked Spaghetti. All right, so we have our water at a boil and already salted. Yes, I am going to break my spaghetti in half. There's nothing wrong with that. How about it? That's what I'm going to do. So, literally, and these I'll just leave alone. Please set your timer to 7 to 8 minutes. All right, on your stove. Okay, I'm setting mine to 8. And that's how long your pasta needs to boil. You don't want it all falling apart, soggy, and all the rest of that. Okay? So we'll be back in 8 minutes. All right, we're about to take our spaghetti, drain it in the colander. That's hot. All right, so you hear me pour it in the colander. Okay. So now what we're going to do, we're going to turn this eye down, putting that on 5, 6. And I'm going to put a tablespoon of that good CBD olive oil in that. I mean, 2 tablespoons equal an ounce. I'm putting an ounce. Excuse me. All right, because we're going to saute some onions before we put our meat in. Okay, this here is an onion household. I'm gonna use onions. Okay, so we got that onion in there. My fault I didn't get all the goddamn spaghetti out of the bottom. I'm moving too fast. All right, while in the sink, while they're sauteing, we're going to put an ounce of the CBD olive oil on top of the noodles, and we're going to mix that in together so the noodles don't stick. Okay. As you see, I'm mixing it up so all the noodles get coated, and then you're also infusing the noodles as well as everything else. All right. All right. Okay, we'll be back. All right, we're back over here. Onions begin to sweat. Okay, I'll turn this up just a tad bit on to 7. Okay. And as that begins to heat up, we're about to add our ground beef, well, our ground chuck. So whatever you want to use. You can use Italian sausage or whatever, but it's up to you. Go ahead and add our meat. Okay. All right. Let me wash these hands right quick. Okay. So now, I'm gonna mash this up. Now all that CBD oil is gonna get into the meat also. Once we have it in the noodles. Okay. Now let's season. Got a teaspoon of black pepper. I got a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. I may put a little bit of that. Let's say a half a teaspoon. The missus don't like stuff spicy. Teaspoon of paprika. This is smoked paprika. A teaspoon of Sicilian seasoning, not Italian, but Sicilian seasoning. I'll put a little bit more. Teaspoon and a half. Very fragrant. Better than Italian seasoning. Alright. A little salt. Okay. And we want to get these aromatic seasonings and spices activated with the heat and the oil. Okay. I'm gonna let that cook. Let that cook for a minute. All right, we're back. I'm gonna add a little onion powder. A little garlic powder. Now I didn't want to burn the garlic, so I have some chopped up garlic that I'm about to add. All right, this is 2 small little cloves. Put that in there. Okay, now that our meat is cooked, we're going to make a Premerosa sauce. All that is marinara mixed with whatever your favorite Alfredo is. All right, that's what we're going to do. Stir that up and let that cook. Okay. And then we're going to add just a little water. Shake that up. That in there. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to let this cook. Just simmer on medium low. That's what you want to know what that is. That's 3, 3.5, 4. Let it do its thing. And then we'll be back to add the spaghetti and then put it in the pan. All right? All right. It's been 10 minutes. Making sure there's nothing on the bottom. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take our CBD noodles and put them into our CBD sauce. Get all that out of there. And we're just going to stir that in gently. Just make sure everything is coated, get everything separated. And this is literally less than 30 minutes to make, plus the 15 minutes that we'll have it in the oven baking. While you come home, get yourself together, or if you're meal prepping this for the week or for just your dinners and everything like that, or if you're doing it for a loved one like I did for my mother. Okay, so we got that. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take our casserole dish. You see that right there? Okay, and we're just going to pour that in. Okay. I'm just going to get a couple of things out of here. And I'm going to place this in the sink. The water. I'm going to spread this out. Turn the eye off. And all I'm going to do is just cover this with some Parmesan cheese and some cheddar. Okay? So here we go. And I'm going to put that all over. Okay? On every crevice. Alright. All over. Okay. And these are things that you can just have in your house. I'm just using up the rest of the stuff that we have in here. Okay. I'll just take some of this cheese, just layer it on. Use the rest of it. Get out the house. Pay for it, don't want it to go bad. Okay. There we go. Okay. So we got all that. Now, let's put this in the oven. Let's see what we're working with. I'll put it on 350. It's already heated. That's out there. That's hot. That's hot.